please, believe me, I didn't want it to end it like this. You know the song from, well, maybe the older ones of you might know it, the song from the Fix. One thing leads to another. Yeah, rebuilding my vintage power supply, I thought it would be a good idea to have a second power supply, a working power supply, where I could inject voltages into my circuit just to test things out. For example, my relay switching, so I can simulate an output voltage and watch it switch the relay between the different taps of the transformer. And I remembered I still have another power supply. Yes, this one I built, it must have been during my junior high years, so 35 years. And I found it, and here's the first problem. The power cable is obviously in no shape to be used, and I was about to switch it on, but now I first think I should check if it still has some isolation. Yep. Okay, that's my fingers. Yep. And with the switch on, it still has a... Oh no, there we go. Something in the mega ohm range. That's a little bit strange, isn't it? Okay. And from ground, nothing. The ground itself. Yeah, that is 0.2 ohms. So yeah, it seems still to be good, so it's on, and I'm plugging it in. And we have some voltage, even if it's behaving a little bit interesting. By the way, can I touch that? Yeah. By the way, these are really good analog instruments. I mean, they are class 1.5. Can you read that? Oh, probably if I zoom in a little bit. Yeah, class 1.5. That means, and at 25 microamps full with the classic Siemens logo. Yeah. They were expensive. That is not for me, because I got them for free from some old equipment. But it's nice, and it's still doing something. I can hear a transformer hum. Binding posts. No, it's plus and minus. So yeah, let's go to voltage and measure that thing. And it's meanwhile going up to 23 volts. That's most interesting. And I have absolutely nothing at the output. Why? I'm a little bit, millivolt range, okay. Let's see. Oh, no. Ripple is going down too, so it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So yeah, I'm I don't want to run it on that old cord for extended period of time. So I unplug it, and the idea is here not a complete rebuild, but like with the vintage power supply, which I got it, but just to revamp it until it's in a state again where I can use it. So let's have dangerous. Yeah, let's have a look at the back. Oh, wait a second. Can you see that? Yeah, LM317K STEELE. Yeah, with a heatsink that's going a little bit over the edge of the case, and it's probably much too small. Okay, that's the first one. Oh, really? Okay. Meanwhile, I'm used to installing IC connectors. But that's a steel case, so yeah. Let's look what horrors lie inside. Okay, I already lost one screw. I can tell that was the cheapest case I was able to buy at the time. You know, going to school, not having much money, and the innards will be also old parts, but for that LM317K. Whoa! This is absolutely a classic. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. This is absolutely beauty. Is that in focus? Not really. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now, an absolute beauty of transformer. Look at that. Wow. I mean, and going a little bit upwards, you probably never have seen that before, but this is a selenium rectifier. That's really ancient technology. So yeah, I'm jumping here some leads from the transformer and going in here into the selenium rectifier, and I have a 1000 microfarad 40 volt capacitor. It has all the requisite capacitors and diodes and so on for running the LM317K potentiometer, and okay, what I used here for the mains cables, don't look at it. This is really an exploration in whatnot. And what do we have here? I know what that is. Wrapped in tape. That's my current measurement shunt. Yep, that's the current measurement shunt. Wow. Wow, this is absolutely okay. Yes, I mean, no. I mean, but that transformer, that is, holy shit. And the clearance between, oh, can you see that? Zooming in. You might not be able to see it, but the clearance between the switch and yeah, the 220 volts on the top of the case is absolutely minimal. So I put some. And what kind of tape is that? That looks like medical tape. Oh, okay. Nice power supply, but somehow I don't even know how I know that this is the primary side of the thing. How did I know that? Okay. Oh. Oh. And it's fucking heavy. Okay. Yeah. I guess that's absolutely unbelievable. I mean, it's interesting, but it's also unbelievable. I mean, this transformer is a monster. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh no, this is, I don't know, 2,000 tabs. Who would build such a thing? And why? Okay. So I have a case with some holes and oh, okay, this will be definitely another small project. I really didn't want it to end this way, but this leaves me no choice. This is horrible. I don't know. What was I thinking back then? I was a young kid and yeah. Nice quality switch with a nice quality steel label. Quality knob. I mean, they don't build them like that anymore. Maybe I can reuse that at a later point. Oh, I need some other tool. Oh yeah, that's quality work right here, that cut. That was my shunt, and I'm really wondering what's in here. Lots and lots of tape. Okay, this is bad. This is really, really bad. So that was my hand wound shunt. Ugh. Okay, not reusable. So, you might not believe it, but that's the typical out of the datasheet LM317 standard with the capacitors and the protection diodes. There was another one somewhere. Oh, here, look, flying. Yeah, and my main filter cap is 1000 microfarads. And okay, I don't trust these capacitors, no. And this kind of rectifier, selenium diode rectifier, that might be even something for another video, huh? The heart of the operation. LM317K STEELE. Do you know what they want for these thingies nowadays? I mean, 10, 20, 30 bucks? I don't know. But yeah, I'm definitely reusing that one. Not the heat sinks though, because I mean, just say burning 30 volts at 1.5 amps, that would be 45 watts or so. No. Hoo-hoo. That cable goes right into the trash bin as safety hazard. Now we're getting to the big guns. nothing wrong with a quality fuse holder. Not that flimsy stuff they got nowadays. But I wonder if it has to be in the front. Besides, it was interfering a little bit with the label of the on-on switch, and that was not very nice. Yeah, no money for binding posts. But who knows? Maybe I can that was some adjustment for the voltmeter, I guess. And I used these thingies somehow for the isolation of the TO3 package. They are certainly not designed for that. And the wondrous transformer. Maybe at some point. Look at the number of secondary windings that thing has. Maybe someday I can use that, because this is a real high quality transformer. I mean, really high quality. And it weighs in at about 3 kilograms, little over 6 pounds. A monster, but yeah, maybe not the right transformer for the job. Looks crusty, but I guess there's nothing wrong. Little bit brittle, but nothing. And this is a steel case. Nothing a little hot glue or Loctite could fix. And these are, I guess these were in their days, sorry, focus, really, really expensive analog instruments. I mean, these are class 1.5. Yeah, go to eBay, try to buy class 1.5 analog instruments, and they say, okay, 25 microamps full scale, but they don't say, yeah, hand labeled plus, okay, they don't say what the internal resistance is, but yeah, you have screws, big fat screws to attach whatever you need to attach. Okay. Sorry, was out of focus there. This is also class 1.5 and yeah, 40 microamps. So, still zooming. That's the reason I was out of focus. Hey, better. Yeah, these instruments might still be good. I mean, if they don't have corrosion inside. Okay, the plastic frames are a little bit brittle, but yeah, could be useful. Let me shake out the dirt. I mean, the case itself, it's simply It's pretty horrible, isn't it? But I mean, it's the case. Oh, there's one part left. The rubber grommet, where the power came in. And that's still perfectly good. If you need one. The rubber feet are still attached, but yeah. Not my finest work back then, huh? Rusty as hell. The front is all, ooh, bent and yeah. And the top part is not much better. But hey, it's a case. And I guess it should have some nostalgic value to me. So yeah, I mean, it's steel, nothing a file, and oh, these edges feel really bad. Nothing a file could fix. But what to do with that hole? I have an idea. Wait a second. From the same era, signal light. Does it cover up the hole? Well, not really. Almost. I guess good enough, and it won't interfere with the label of the switch. Yeah, I can see that. Maybe this will be the next small project. There you have it, in all its glory. The parts. Yeah, but for that also 40-year-old signal light. And yeah, the question is, rebuild it in the same case with a new transformer. I mean, this is a beast, and or which would require some filing and definitely a paint job because it's quite rusty at the edges, or buying a new case. Yeah, we'll see. But for now, that was the Teardown. Bye.